my name is Manuel and I'm coming from Slovenia, but I have a gym in Austria. A gym like with weights, you know, with machines and so on. But I always train martial arts, so like kickboxing, judo, and so on. I choose Bukti Negara because I was on a seminar with Walter in Slovenia, but also Ottavio was there, and I visited Ottavio in San Salvo. So yeah, I choose Bukti Negara because of the effectiveness. I wanted to participate in this instructor course because of me. I wanted to do something new. Sure, I would everyone invite to join us.